Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again and today I am unboxing the brand new Glossybox 2023 Feel the Magic Advent Calendar. I am so excited, I'm feeling very festive. I cannot wait for this, and as we speak, right now I have got chestnuts roasting in the oven. So once I'm done unboxing my Advent Calendar, I am going to go and eat roasted chestnuts. That is how festive I am feeling. So here is the Advent Calendar. I'm just gonna whip it open quickly so that you can see the inside. It's very beautiful. It's very on brand Glossybox gorgeousness, and I cannot wait to see the contents. I have been really good. I have not looked at any of the spoilers. The only thing I know is that it is out now. It is a mega bargain. It is worth £473. However, it's being sold for £80. I can also guess that there are very limited numbers available because these advent calendars, they don't last long. Like once they are ready to sell, they often sell out quick. So if you want one, hurry it up. Anyway, I'm gonna open all the drawers. We're gonna have a look at what's inside, and I'm also going to do it in no particular order. So if you do buy this advent calendar and you want an element of surprise, then hopefully I'll be able to give it to you, because I'm going to show you everything that's inside, but not in the right order. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go top to bottom, left to right, just dive in. Some things I'll talk about more, some things I'll talk about less, but I don't want to make this video too long, so I'll try not to be too chatty. Anyway, the first thing that we have, oh my goodness, what a bang! The first thing that we have is Esper. We have the Optimal Body Tri Serum. This is a 10ml bottle. Love, love, love Esper. And in the same box, in the same day, we have the Optimal Skin Pro Moisturizer. That's major. Two things, one drawer, and it's Esper. It can't continue. That's too good. Okay, what have we got next? Oh, wow. This is so good. I'm like, it can't continue. It just did. This is by So Eco, and it's a satin pillowcase. We all love a satin pillowcase. It's just good for you. It's good for your skin, good for your hair. I'm loving that. That's amazing. Next up, we have Revolution Pro. This is the Radiant Peach Primer for brightening, and it is a full size tube. Major. Next we have Earth Harbor. This is Marina. This is a brightening, oh well, I don't know what this is. I have no idea. I think it might be a toner. I think it's a toner. So the next item that we have is by Earth Harbor, and it is a toner. I'll report back. I'll let you know what it's like, but I have no clue. Anyway, next item. Oh my god, Floral Street. I was wearing a Floral Street perfume today. This is Wonderland Peony. I have tried this before. It is gorgeous floral perfume. That's amazing. By the way, I can tell you that Floral Street perfumes in that size are £28. Just saying. I did a video about them earlier. I love Floral Street. They are such gorgeous perfumes. Okay, next item. Oh my good god. This is wild. This has got to be the star of the show. I have no idea. I can't believe it gets better any better than this. I'm sorry, I'm stuttering over my words. It's too good. It's too exciting. Okay, let me show you. Look, Fiat. Let's see. I am a woman. What's your superpower? Ooh, love that. A little bit of female empowerment for a Christmas day. This is, by the way, the Christmas Day thing. So this is, yeah, I should have probably looked at the number before I opened it, but let's have a look. Oh my goodness. Look at that palette. Look at those colours. Oh my god, that's actually stunning. That is such a beautiful palette. I cannot believe it. That is the Christmas Day gift. So this actually is the star of the show. That is amazing. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colours. Gorgeous palette. Hello. And yeah, what a Christmas Day gift. That's amazing. Oh, 25th of December is going to be a good day. I'm just putting it out there. It's going to be a good day. I don't know why. I've got an inkling. I think it's going to be a good day. Okay, next item. We've got the Amore lashes. These are lash extensions. Fun, cute, can't complain. Then we've got, oh, hello, Medicate. Oh my god, micellar mousse. Purifying and nourishing, effortless rinse off cleanser. Love Medicate, so good. Such a good skincare range. This is incredible. Okay, next item is by, oh, Fresh. Oh, I have not used fresh products in a while. This is a soy face cleanser, 15 ml. Love it, amazing. Then we have, what have we got? Oh, this is by Note Cosmetics. I don't know them. This is a mineral lip gloss. Let's have a look at the colour. Ooh, there we go. A really pretty universal kind of pinky peachy nudie colour. So, so, so pretty. I don't know Note Cosmetics. Do you? Is that just me living under a rock? I do live in Norfolk now. There's a lot I don't know. Anyway, let's open the next box. This is actually, oh, 2 things in one. Hello, I love a twofer. This is Brushworks and it's a circular powder puff. And then we've also got Brushworks Complete Eye and Brow Kit Set. That's amazing. I cannot believe they've given us a full kit in one drawer. That's bonkers. This is a lot of bang for your buck. I feel like I might need to take a breather in a minute because I'm like, this is too exciting. Okay, next item. Oh my God, Iconic London. This is a mascara, I think. Yeah, it's a mascara. Love Iconic London. Such an incredible brand. And then we've got, oh, L'Occitane. Oh, this box. Wow, I am obsessed already. Even like if we stopped right now, I'd be like, this is an incredible advent calendar, but we've still got so much to go. Okay, this is the almond hand cream. Absolutely love this product. Such a fan. Then we have a Lottie London Ready Set Go. This is a setting powder. Love, have used this before. Love it, amazing. Oh my God. Then we've got Physicians Formula, Rosé All Day. This is a set and glow and a bit of a bronzer, highlighter. It's an illuminating powder, dewy balm kit. Love it, amazing. Shocked. You know when you're like shocked? It's a good advent calendar, this. The other brands are gonna have to like up their game if they want to compete with this bad boy. Okay, next up we've got a Beauty Pro Sheet Mask. Always enjoyable. And then we have another 2-for-1 drawer. So this is a lip liner, I think, and it is by MUA. I have not used their products in a sweet time either. This is an intense colour lip liner and it comes with a lipstick. Amazing. You know when you're like 2-for-1, I love it. Do you remember when brands used to give like the shampoo in one drawer and like the conditioner in another? Not now, not GLOSSYBOX. They are just like killing us with kindness. Okay, next item, we've got the Colour Wow Styling Cream. Love this stuff. Nice travel size. Whew, how are we doing time-wise? Okay, I am talking too much. I need to try and hurry up. Next, we've got the, oh my God, this is so good. We've got the Rhodial Papaya Enzyme Vitamin C Scrub. This stuff is iconic. It's amazing. This is a 20 ml tube. I am loving that. Next up, we have a travel size of Batiste. Amazing. Always a handbag genius. Oh, made by Mitchell. Oh my goodness. They are bang on trend. This is made by Mitchell. This is a liquid blusher. I'm excited. I didn't even know we could get this in the UK, let alone in an advent calendar. So I'm really excited to try this. And hello. Look at that lime green. Look, that is so fun. Well done. You know what I mean? Like, I'm from Manchester, so it's really nice to see somebody slaying the game from my hometown. Him and Harry Styles, they're living their best lives. Anyway, the next product is Avant. I don't really love Avant. People do, and I'm always like, why is it so expensive? Anyway, this is the Collagen Intense Radiance Aviator Serum. I'll give this a go, see how I get on. Maybe this will be the product that makes me go, wow, now I get the hype. And then finally, this is our last box. I wonder what it is. This advent calendar. Huh. Okay, let's see what we've got. The last drawer. This is the Christmas Eve drawer, just so you know. A candle by Rituals. Oh my God, that smells so good. It smells like, oh, so many good things. Kind of like marshmallowy, almondy, macaroni, but also like cherry blossom and like libraries. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's like pink, grey, dusty, almondy, macaroni loveliness. Oh, I love that. That's so good. What's it called? This is the Ritual of Sakura. I think this is cherry blossom inspired. And it is like cherry blossom, but it's so much more. It's gorgeous. Sorry, I could just sniff that all day. That is the advent calendar. That is a banger. What was it? Was it £80? I cannot believe it was £80. That's insane. Like, what a no-brainer purchase. Like, that is crazy. We had the Ciate, amazing. We've got the candle, incredible. We've got the Medicate, amazing. We've got L'Occitane. I'm literally just like listing things off the top of my head that are like singing out to me. But like, yeah, we've got Rodial, we've got the Made by Mitchell, we've got the Colour Wow. I'm just opening drawers at this point. Oh, we've got the Brushworks, we've got... Oh my god, I missed a drawer. I think I missed a drawer. This is Grow Gorgeous. Literally, there's so much in this that I've missed drawers. Yeah, we missed a drawer. This is Grow Gorgeous Volume Bodifying Shampoo. I can't believe I missed a drawer. Have I missed any other drawers? I don't even know. Who knows? Let me know if I did. But yeah, oh my god, we've got Esper. We've got the satin pillowcase. We've got Revolution. This is a banger. This is like a banger of a box. It's like, it's so good. There's like literally 3 things in here that I'm like not that enamored with, but everything else I'm like literally mind blown all over the show. This is crazy. I cannot believe it's £80. I cannot believe how much you get. It's so good. Like, some of these things you could literally wrap up and make them into like stocking fillers if you wanted to, or just keep them for yourself, because it's like incredible. It's incredible. You know when you're like, that's crazy. I can't believe it's £80. It's on sale now. If you want it, link is below. No obligation. Don't feel any pressure. But I think it's incredible. The Ciate palette. I can't speak. I'm too overwhelmed. But the Ciate palette, I love these shades. I think they are so pretty. I literally can't handle these shades. They are absolutely gorgeous. What a dream palette. Like, literally what a dream palette. I cannot believe it. Like, it's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous dream palette. This must be worth £50 alone, I think. The Rituals candle must be about £25 alone. There is so much bang for your buck. You know when you're like, it's incredible. Anyway, I feel like I've talked too much. I was trying to make this video not too long, but I got too excited. But yeah, I love it. I think it's incredible. I think it is £80 well spent. It's so good. And yeah, I am just blown away. Anyway, link below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.